What's he doing now?
The husband?
Yeah.
Nothing.
So how do they live?
I guess they're probably in a EI.
Oh, he quit the job, right? So you stay 5 months in the city?
Yeah.
So what do you do in 5 months?
No, just harvest. Go see if I can harvest some rice. Just hang around there.
Yeah.
My sister.
Where's your sister? You have a house there, right?
Yeah.
Where's your house? Is Polillo or? Before you go to Polillo, which way you go?
And Manila first.
Manila and then you go to
Polillo.
Polillo?
Yeah.
No, there's another Laguna.
Well, Laguna. Well, my sister used to be there, but like my sister is here now. So I'm not gonna go to Laguna.
So who's living there now?
Nobody. Well, her son lives next door, but I never go.
Oh, I see.
To her son's place.
Oh,
But I'll stay with my cousin
and your house is in Polillo?
yeah.
I did not know you built a house there or?
Well, it's not for me, it's for them. Like, and then plus when my dad go home, you got a place to stay. Not for me. Not a place for them to live with my dad also.
Yeah. I think I did this back to
I like it, I know he likes it. But
kind of fishy. Okay?
and too small. That's a bone.
He's taking a picture again.
He's videoing it.
Huh? I know. If you're selling the dog, they will give the dog a shot or you don't do that?
Well, they'll have to take things.
You also part of selling the dog. But I think this is a nicer dog than the other.
Yeah.
You know?
The other one is very demanding.
Is that right, eh? Where is it now?
With the Eric there.
The other one is quiet. This dog is a better looking than Marius.
I know. Marriott dog is very skinny.
Yeah.
And they always lose their teeth.
Yeah.
And they always have a bad breath.
Well, she stink when she did not have them full.
Yeah.
It's really smell. If you lick your hand, it stinks.
And look at April. She's not even.
No.
Okay.
His teeth is good. That's okay.
Lori, hey, tawagan mo ako. Dali ka mo sa story. Bye.
Sorry, doing. You have to phone me. And I keep the water upstairs so you can phone me. I have an accident. Fine, it's just, I think they hurt itself. The vehicle, you know? That stupid Bruce, he do that and
Forget him.
Oh, no! Where is that? Puchi, 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 puchi. Where is the puchi, puchi, puchi? Where is the puchi, 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 eh? I think Eric likes them doing that.
What? 8, 6, 6, 3, 5, 5.